Good morning, everyone. You're here with the Chris Turner Experience at Alberni Toyota. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're staying up to date with what's going on. Today, finally, I've done some revs with the new Magnaflow xMOD exhaust in normal mode and sport mode. Now, it has the muffler deletes. If you're not familiar with the xMOD, they come with mufflers that can pop on and off. So you can go straight pipe or, quiet it down a bit, but who would want that? So I got my service manager, service advisor, Stuart. He's gonna rev it up a little bit in normal mode and rev it up a little bit in sport mode for us so we can see the difference, and you're gonna love it. Now, to be fair, you really need to feel this in person, drive the car in person to really experience it, but it sounds good on the video. It's not bad for, a video shot on an iPhone.